Woza umjaka lo, soccer beat lo, siyanamukela nonke, ilizwe loMzansi. Mhlawumbe nawe wase-Afrika ubukele, niyayazi, masinyena lana intsha le-channel, so idinga nini ukuthi nicofe usubscribe ukuze ikhule, utata wethu soccer beat. Siyikhulise, siye ko-50,000, 100,000 subscribers. Mphethe uTshepo Masilela, so talking Bafana. Bafana Bafana ula uTshepo eMexico neBafana Bafana. Wayikhona ku-2010 manje uzobheka abafana ukuthi bazokwenza njani. Yayingabo Tshepo babedlala i-World Cup yokugcina for iBafana Bafana for iSouth Africa. So bayazi ukuthi kudingekani. Ngizombuza uTshepo ukuthi yini ayibonile kwiBafana manje eyahlukile isikhathi sabo ngokuba bedlala bona. Ayithandayo. Hayi ukuthi yihlukile nje ukuthi bantswembu kunabo, hhayi ayithandile nje ngaleli qembu. Mthepana, siphethe isishushu kuphela njayami. Umfana wakho uBradley Cross ahumba, Mr. Humba. Wawuthe makaphushe, sinayo ividiyo yakho la. Wawuthe makaphushe angangena kwi-AFCON. Zange angene ku-AFCON, mara wangena kwi-squad se-World Cup Mthepana. Ubuyibona ukuthi into ezokwenzeka, uzizwa njani wena as i-left back yayisuka ku-Chiefs ukuthi ubone ukuthi umfana wakho odlala i-left back manje for i-Chiefs sekwiBafana?
No, firstly, it's it's good for him, also for Kaizer Chiefs. Ukuthi bane player from Kaizer Chiefs go World Cup season, and it's not my, when it comes to national team, it's not my thing. It's the interest of South Africa. Whether it's him or it's another left back, but it's South Africa first. So I can't say I want omunye because is we all want what's the best for a national team, and we want the national team to succeed.
Lo mfana Mthepana besazi ukuthi u-Aubrey Mothiba is the first choice. Siyazi sonke la eMzansi. Aubrey Mothiba wonke umuntu uyazi. Probably iyona headache for uHugo Broos ukuthi ebe-injured. Now wakwi-situation eso, masizwile ukuthi ujimile manje and could be ready for i-match yokuqala. Wawukwi-situation eso noLucas Twala 2010, wena wawubuya from i-injury and then yena wayidlala ama-friendly warm up and then wena wawuphusha ukuthi ube khona ube ready. Kwakunjani ngesikhathi sakho, and mhlambe yini onoyikhuluma nabo ubatshele ukuthi what they can do usapotana nabo njengani noLucas?
That's a tough one. Good situation, I was obviously with us. It was 23-man squad, not 26.
Sure.
So like Manje, they have the luxury of taking 3 fullbacks, like left back, 3 right backs. We have because inamba ikhuphukile. China it was tough, Baba. 23, only two left back, 2 right back. You understand, Guti, how tough it is, and unfortunately I got a knock. Masdalane, I think it was Jamaica, one of the friendlies, and after the knock I couldn't train. I had to take time off to heal, and it was tough because sonke sifuna ukudlala iWorld Cup, and it was me, myself, it was Lucas Twala, it was Innocent Mdleze.
Sure.
And you can imagine sonke sibuye eMpumalanga, bro. Like Mdleze is from Ekaslam. So, but now there's only 2 spots available. No, but
izothathwa ngubani baba?
yeah, and where's mina noMdleze, like we're from the same kasi. Sonke sibuye eMalahleni Witbank, and we played. The competition has been there, like from under 23s, going up to Bafana, So, but it was tough. But for we're happy that Aubrey is back. He's on the field again. He's training with the guys, and because the game is almost here, like couple of days. The first game is here, and who gets the nod? It's a coach's decision. Yeah, and we might say, the tricky part about soccer, we might say play Bradley because Aubrey has been injured, or Kabina, and then if he doesn't have a good game, we say, but why you Shimdi? But he's more experienced, has been in these situations Sundowns won the Champions League, he played AFCON, so me personally, if Aubrey is fit, I I go with Aubrey, and then we'll take it from there.
Ngikuzwile. I think ngokumzansi uzozwana nawe Soccer Beat Family. Uzwana noTshepo usho kuma-comments ukuthi hhayi nami bengimincile. IsiXhosa sithi uminyile. Bengiminyile ukuthi u-Aubrey abe fit. Ngoba abathembanga abanye. I-experience iyakhuluma Msepana. Ushilo nawe ukuthi eish sometimes ayikuthi uyakwazi udlala. Ukuthi nje mawudlala nebafana it's a different requirement onayo and uzo-adapter kanjani. La kulabafana ubabonile manje Msepana, kwisikhathi senu yini oyibonile mhlambi eyahlukile kulabafana ekuthokozisayo ngaphakathi ukuthi yazini, if there's one thing engijabulisayo ukuthi labafana kuso.
The current guys still, the fact yokuthi they've been with this coach for a couple of years now. They went ups and downs, meaning they finished third, if I'm not mistaken. When you have con, you get knocked out when you have con without making even the semifinals. It means Uchi, we've been together through, good and bad times. I think it built their character also, going to this World Cup. And I don't want to say they're not under pressure or there's no pressure. But but to be honest, being at home, hosting 2010 season, it was, you could feel it. Maupume hotel, we are training. You could feel it. This is massive. This is big. Because we are at home, and it's the first time in Africa. I'm not saying the pressure is different. Out end of the day, now Babafuna to make it to the next round, like knockout stages. Also, as we did was the blame, but you could see it, you could, feel it every day. In 2010, once you step out of the hotel and they see Guti Pase Bafana, it abantu bebashama bell, they would get the excitement and the buzz.
So ungitshela ukuthi ama-Mexicans are not making the same noise manje as ibafana ijima lapho nani niyatraina lapho benizodlala le-Legends match. Ungitshela ukuthi ama-Mexicans awenzi umsindo.
I want to be fair to the Mexicans, and try to be honest. When maybe if the national team, it was based where we at,
Oh.
because you have to also be fair. But us in South Africa, Baba, every time we stepped out of the hotel, you could feel the energy, the excitement. Abantu beba, you understand. So I'm a Mexican. Yes, they excited also. It's World Cup, but unfortunately, the first game is not the Bafana Mexico game. Ayiko last corner, Pachuca. We still have to go back to Mexico City for maybe that side is a different vibe. So I don't want to be unfair. Ngingakabonanga like ukuthi.
Okay. Mara-ke mawubhekile wena-ke amajita, umoya wawo mabehamba bese e-Mexico City, ubona ukuthi banayo i-confidence, bacabangani? Bacabanga le game iphambi kwabo manje or bacabanga ukuthi bazokwenza njani u-Navigator baphume baye kwi-next group stages?
I think Amachita they think about the Mexico game. I believe good you must take it one game at a time, because that's the game that you have to play. You don't think about okay the other two matches you faced with Mexico, and Mexico is a cry. What we're anticipating is the crowd will be behind Mexico. Definitely, they're at home. They hosting us. So we're anticipating a very tough game. So but it's one game at a time. I'm not saying we must be cowards or think what we can't win. We can win. It's a game of football. We can beat Mexico. But I believe if we come out from this game, worst case scenario with a point, and then we can grow from there, and it will still give us a chance. Because once you play your first game and you lose, you're on zero. Now you're looking at the other teams, so it becomes more tougher. But I believe a point, 3 points we want definitely. Sonkers funny win. As South Africans, we want to win the first game. Worst case scenario, if we can come out with a point, it will be not best but it will be still, there's a lot to play for.
Msepana mna hayi ngoku andisayazi noba ndithini because ndi-nervous mfondini. Ndiza kunika i-opportunity ngoku ndithi masithi abafana uHugo Bruce uthi, Tshepo Masilela, come over here my boy, talk to the boys. Ithi makodini, naba ngabakho. If ungathola lo opportunity njayam ungathini kubafana? Mhlawumbe even specifically ku-Bradley Cross, uKabini, no Modiba, how they can handle the situation banayo ukuthi ba-compete for the position. Mara even the whole squad.
No, firstly, it's like, try to go out there and enjoy, but you have to take note to Guti. It's a big tournament, the pressure is there, but the support from our South African, make no mistake. We all behind the boy. We all want to see them do well. For them to go out there, enjoy, play a normal game, and it's 3 games before what's gonna be decided. So play the first game, focus on the first game, and then after that we'll take it from there. But one thing about they should never doubt is support from South Africans. They've got the support, the nation is behind them. Make us proud, boys.
Hayi, masibambe i-left chest. You know all about it. Makuqala la national anthem
Left
kwenzekani ba?
chest, left. Nkosi sikelele
Danko
iAfrika,
Msepana.
tata.
Nkosi sikelele i-Afrika tata. Tshepo Masilela. Umjaka, Soccer Beat, nisitshele bafethu. Sizaza nawo la mashow anje. Sokhuluma isiSuthu, Tswana, Afrikaans, zonke bonke sinazo. Nisitshele ukuthi nibuze ninayo nithumele. Ishaye i-comments as well. Tshepo Masilela use-Mexico uzositshela mayibuka igame ukuthi uzizwe njani. Mhlawumbe nge-weekend so connecta nayo uTshepo futhi sikhulume ngale game. For now Tshepo, safe travels manisiye eMexico City njayami. We enjoy i-game. I hope abafana banenze proud. I hope nani ni-enjoye i-reunion yenu no-2010. And then no-Hugo Bruce aninike i-opportunity at least niwabona amajita.
Danke.